Hello and thank you for your interest in the Economy Folding Knee Walker by Drive DeVilbiss Healthcare. In order to ensure your knee walker is safe to use, follow these quick and easy assembly instructions. First up, remove the contents from the retail package. These contents should include a tiller connected to the base via a brake cable and a separate knee pad attachment. The second step is to straighten the tiller to the upright position. Slide the locking mechanism to the left to allow the tiller to reach the full upright position. Release the locking mechanism to lock the tiller into position. In step 3, we slide the lock lever into the groove on the tiller and depress the locking handle to secure the tiller in place. Next up, pull down the guide pin ring and turn the handlebar counterclockwise so that the front wheels and brake handle are facing forward. Release the guide pin so it sits between the guide stops. Be sure that the brake cable is not twisted. Step 5 is to connect the front and rear frame sections by closing the center frame hinge. The hinge pin will lock into place. Next, ensure the frame is securely locked into place by sliding the frame lever into the slot. Rotate the lever to tighten and then press the lever firmly down until it is locked into place. Next up, insert the knee pad into the receptacle on the frame at the desired height. Secure pad in place by inserting the locking pin into the hole. Tighten the pad lock lever to secure the knee pad into place. The final step is to insert the handlebar tube into the tiller and set to the desired handle height. Insert the handle height locking knob by turning it clockwise until it is tightened. Your new folding knee walker is now safely assembled and ready to be used. Thank you again for choosing Drive DeVilbiss Healthcare and have a great day.